In this video, we will be discussing the 30 best niches to make money online. If you're a beginner looking to start your online journey, this comprehensive guide is perfect for you. A niche is a specific area of interest or expertise that can be profitable. It's important to find a niche that aligns with your skills and passion. Let's take a look at some of the best niches to make money online. 1. Online courses. 2. Health and fitness. 3. Personal finance. 4. Beauty and fashion. 5. Food. 6. Gaming. 7. Digital marketing. 8. Travel. 9. Personal development. 10. Pet care. 11. Relationships. 12. Music. 13. Photography. 14. Arts and crafts. 15. Home and garden. 16. Technology. 17. Parenting. 18. Sports. 19. Entertainment. 20. Career development. 21. Education. 22. Real estate. 23. Investing. 24. Green living. 25. Writing. 26. E-commerce. 27. Entrepreneurship. 28. Social media. 29. Public speaking. 30. Consulting. Choosing the right niche is crucial for success. Consider your skills, interests, and market demand. Conduct market research to see what niches have room for growth and profitability. After choosing your niche, it's important to monetize it. There are several ways to make money online, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and paid advertising. Develop a strategy that fits your niche and audience. And there you have it, the 30 best niches to make money online. Remember to choose a niche that aligns with your skills and passions. Monetize your niche and develop a strategy that works for you. Good luck on your online journey.